Hi there. I couldn't help but notice on your website on BillLukeTempe.com, some of your vehicles' pictures show the word buyback on it. Never heard of a buyback. What is that? That's a great question, and one we get quite often actually. A manufacturer buyback is a vehicle that was repurchased by the manufacturer due to some unresolved issues that were reported by the initial owner and have since been resolved. Well, that's interesting. So if it's a used vehicle, does that mean there's no warranty on it? Well, actually, a lot of these buyback vehicles actually carry over the balance of the initial manufacturer warranty. And in some cases, they even get an extended warranty attached to the part or defect of the vehicle. Well, that gives me some peace of mind knowing that there's warranty attached to it. But is there any way I can talk to a finance person about this? Of course. Let's go speak to the finance manager. Hi there. I understand you have some questions about buyback vehicles and financing options. Yeah, I obviously can't afford to pay up front, so I'm curious to know if you have financing options available through Bill Luke. Oh, absolutely. We have a number of options available to you for when you're financing your buyback vehicle. So it's good to know you have financing options available. Which leads me to my next question is, are these cars reliable? That's a great question. Let me take you over to our service department so we can find out. Oh, hey there. Mark said he was sending you over. What is this place? Well, this is our reconditioning center. This is where all of our vehicles come in after a 125-point inspection from the manufacturer for yet another multi-point inspection, just to make sure all vehicles are up to par with performance and reliability measures and expectations. We check things like brake calipers, seat adjusters, sensors, spark plugs, air filters, tires, wheels, engine blocks, batteries. Sorry about that. What that means is that all of our vehicles are inspected just to make sure that they're safe and that they are ready to be on the road just before we sell them. Thank you for the clarification. It was so much easier for me to understand. Hey, it's our pleasure here at Bill Luke. Looks like you're ready to go on your way.